pro anglishtinë për ushite titulki.
Hello. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the second day of competition in the Fairs competition. 30 of you will be going through. Are you ready?
So this is me, Ane, and my friend Nikoline, participating for the second time ever in a jigsaw puzzle competition at the World Jigsaw Puzzle Championship. The first time was the day before.
Hej, hvordan gikk?
Ja,
Det var gøy.
For this pairs contest, we have a really detailed and awesome plan, and it's all described in this lid. It has taken hours of preparation and discussion to form this plan.
ja. So, there, and there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I will remember this. Easy.
Yeah.
Good.
The plan has been approved by master puzzlers, and now we will explain it to you.
This is our plan.
The PPP plan, the Pushlink Pairs Puzzle Plan, famously known as PPP. All right, here's how we begin. First task, decision. Do we start with the edges or do we start with the red door? And with the red door, we mean a section of a puzzle that is easy to sort and easy to puzzle.
Har vi sett om vi skal gjøre kant eller ikke?
Ja, vi skal gjøre
Så da sorterer jeg kant.
Vi sorterer ut kanter.
Ok.
Ja.
So, what to choose? There are many good reasons for starting with the edges. It's often easy to do, it gives you something to work off of, and it gives you a coordinate system for the remaining pieces. On the flip side, or flap side, starting with the frame takes up a lot of space. So to save space, you can decide to start with the red door instead. It can be a good idea to start sorting the red door if the edges seem more difficult, or if the puzzle has an obvious split of some kind. Second task, turning and sorting. Turn the pieces while sorting the edges or the red door. To do this, we divide all the pieces in half. One pile for Nikoline and one pile for me. As we flip the pieces, we put the regular pieces in the middle of the table and the edge or red door pieces in this pile. Nikoline is a sorter. She takes the big pile of regular pieces and starts sorting them by color or texture into smaller piles. And I am the edger. I start putting the edges or the red door together while Nikoline is sorting. I use my puzzle area to do this job, so I don't get in the way of Nikoline's piles. When the sorter is finishing the sorting, the edger red doorer can move their creation to its final destination, right in front of the box with a picture on it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I will remember this. Easy.
Yeah.
Good.
The third and last task. Remember to talk. When you are a team, communication is key.
Communication is the key. True story.
But when your team member says something, you don't need to stop what you're doing, just listen and continue.
Kant. Kant. Kant.
Say what you are working on, so your partner can feed you pieces.
Kan jeg få de Alt som har noe grønt på.
Jeg tar de blå. Jeg tok også de rosa.
If you're looking for anything special, let your partner know.
Hvis du finner noe med rød krøllestrek på.
Jeg tar ting med prikker.
Jeg har perler, men ikke prikker.
Perler. Ja, jeg vil på de perlene.
And if you figure something out, share the information.
Den hvite er det bare en av. Så den er der. Det mangler fortsatt en kant.
Don't be afraid to give constructive feedback if your partner is being annoying.
Ikke hold foran bildet.
Bra.
And remember to give your partner inspiration and positive feedback.
Ser ut som ikke andre har kommet så veldig langt heller.
Nei.
Grønn. Grønn. Nei. Nei. Nei, 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 nei. Det er usaklig. Det er prikker, var det lett, vet du.
Ja, takk.
Grønn.
Now you're up to a great start and you are ready to puzzle your way to the finish line. But before we do that, let's talk about this puzzle.
Det er et typisk sånn kunstnerpuslspill. Det er den samme lilla fargen på gitaren som det er på. Liksom, det er bare malepensel som har gjort det, ikke sant? Så det er liksom ikke... Det er helt forferdelig, faktisk.
And before we do that, let's talk about this puzzle that both Nicoline and I did in the individuals the day before. Here you can easily spot and pick out the flower pieces, the sky, the buildings, the ground, and the trees. And here...
Dette var veldig vanskelig, for hva skal jeg sortere her, liksom, det er bare overalt. Det er jo bare lilla overalt, det er ikke ett sted det er lilla.
Det er en sånn kattepelsbrikke med bare innoverdurter som skal i hjørnet her. Og det var de som jeg har lett etter, men ikke finner, de legger jeg her.
All I could think during this puzzle was, these students should really tidy their apartment.
Så den her kattehåret har jeg fortsatt ikke sett.
Men det er ikke den bunken heller. Hvor mange bunker med ark er det på det bildet her, da? Det er som har så mye ræl hjemme. Så er liksom, det ser ut som et perlesmykke, da ser man på et bord eller noe sånt, men så ligger det på gulvet, liksom oppi en sko.
Jeg ser en kaffekopp, men det er ikke den. Det er den kaffekoppen som skal være der.
Ja, på gitaren. Det går der, vi har over et kvarter igjen.
For some weird reason, we still got to put this puzzle together in time.
Ja, 10 minutter enn vi klarer det. Yes.
And look how happy we are! No stupid puzzle can break our spirit. Thank you, PPPP.
Norwegian team first. Arne and Nicoline.
Do you know them? Have you played with them?
I just met them Wednesday. Arne is in my team and she runs the YouTube channel Puzzling. I don't know where to put all the pieces.
Oh, that's fine.
Last year, you know, Kristen too from Norway, she finished in second place behind Alejandro.
Det var jo ambisjoner, det var jo lyst til å være best der.
Wait till you see this. Yes, for a competition, it's awful.
How do you feel? Do you have an eraser?
Yeah, here.
The smallest eraser I've ever seen.
I have like 200 erasers or something.
But you broke this.
Well, I'm trying to use the smallest ones first, so the biggest one is this big. It's for really big mistakes. I have it at work. It's so stupid, but it makes work fun.
You gotta treasure the big things in life.